Multiplication. Spiral learning. Knowing about multiplication. Properties of multiplication. Estimating the products. Multiplication is repeated addition. The result of multiplication is the product. The number which is being multiplied is the multiplicand. The number which multiplies is called the multiplier. The numbers which are being multiplied are called factors. 2789 into 3 is equal to 8367. 2789 is multiplicand. 3 is multiplier. 8367 is product. The numbers which are being multiplied are called factors. Properties of multiplication. A. Order property. The product remains the same on changing order of the factors. For example, 56 into 25 is equal to 25 into 56 is equal to 1400. B. Property of zero. The product of a number with 0 is always 0. For example, 1438 into 0 is equal to 0 into 1438 is equal to 0. C. Property of 1. The product of a number with 1 is the number itself. For example, 26,840 into 1 is equal to 1 into 26,840 is equal to 26,840. Multiplication by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Look at these products. 36 into 10 is equal to 360. 1 0 added on right of 36. 36 into 100 is equal to 3600. 2 zeros added on right of 36. 36 into 1000 is equal to 36,000. 3 zeros added on right of 36. 36 into 10,000 is equal to 3,60,000. 4 zeros added on right of 36. When a number is multiplied by the multipliers like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, as many zeros as in the multipliers are added on the right side of the number. With each zero, the number increases 10 times. Multiplication, the smart way. A. Multiplication by combining factors. Example: 326 into 2 into 5 is equal to 326 into 2 into 5 is equal to 326 into 10. is equal to 3260. Example: 4 into 16 into 25 is equal to 16 into 4 into 25 is equal to 16 into 100 is equal to 1600 using order property. Example: 483 into 4 into 5 is equal to 483 into 20 is equal to 483 into 2 into 10 is equal to 483 into 2 into 10 is equal to 966 into 10 is equal to 9660. B. Multiplication by expanding one factor. Example: 4 into 15 is equal to 4 into 10 plus 5 is equal to 4 into 10 plus 4 into 5 is equal to 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. Example: 160 into 2 is equal to 100 plus 60 into 2 is equal to 100 into 2 plus 60 into 2 is equal to 200 plus 120 is equal to 320. Example: 5496 into 4 is equal to 5000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 6 into 4 is equal to 5000 into 4 plus 400 into 4 plus 90 into 4 plus 6 into 4 is equal to 20,000 plus 1,600 plus 360 plus 24 is equal to 21,984. C. Multiplication with numbers made up of nines or ending in nines. Example: 28 into 99 is equal to 28 into 100 minus 1 is equal to 28 into 100 minus 28 into 1 is equal to 2800 minus 28 is equal to 2772. Example: 76 into 39 is equal to 76 into 40 minus 1 is equal to 76 into 40 minus 76 into 1 is equal to 76 into 4 into 10 minus 76 is equal to 3040 minus 76 is equal to 2964. D. Multiplication using doubles of products. Example: 9 into 7 is equal to 63 by tables. 9 into 14 is equal to 126. Double of 7 double of 63. Example: 250 into 3 is equal to 750. 250 into 6 is equal to 1500. Double of 3 double of 750. A. Multiplication using multiples of 10. Example: 9 into 29 is equal to how much? 9 into 30 is equal to 270. 9 into 29 is equal to 270 minus 9 is equal to 261. Example: 7 into 79 is equal to how much? 7 into 80 is equal to 560. 7 into 79 is equal to 560 minus 7 is equal to 553. F. Multiplication using box multiplication. Example: 24 into 5 is equal to 20 plus 4 into 5. 5 into 20 is equal to 100. And 5 into 4 is equal to 20 is equal to 100 plus 20 is equal to 120. Example: 68 into 14 is equal to 60 plus 8 into 10 plus 4. 60 into 10 is equal to 600. And 60 into 4 is equal to 240. 600 plus 240 is equal to 840. Now 8 into 10 is equal to 80. And 8 into 4 is equal to 32. 80 plus 32 is equal to 112. 840 plus 112 is equal to 952. Multiplication table after 10. Let us now build multiplication tables 11 to 15. Multiplication table of 11. 1 into 11 is equal to 1 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 2 into 11 is equal to 2 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. 3 into 11 is equal to 3 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 30 plus 3 is equal to 33. 4 into 11 is equal to 4 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 40 plus 4 is equal to 44. 5 into 11 is equal to 5 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. 6 into 11 is equal to 6 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 60 plus 6 is equal to 66. 7 into 11 is equal to 7 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 70 plus 7 is equal to 77. 8 into 11 is equal to 8 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 80 plus 8 is equal to 88. 9 into 11 is equal to 9 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 90 plus 9 is equal to 99. 10 into 11 is equal to 10 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 100 plus 10 is equal to 110. The table will be read as 2 times 11 is equal to 22. 5 times 11 is equal to 55. 1 times 11 is equal to 11. 2 times 11 is equal to 22. 3 times 11 is equal to 33. 4 times 11 is equal to 44. 5 times 11 is equal to 55. 6 times 11 is equal to 66. 7 times 11 is equal to 77. 8 times 11 is equal to 88. 9 times 11 is equal to 99. 10 times 11 is equal to 110. Now, try to build the multiplication table of 12 similarly. Multiplication table of 12. 1 into 12 is equal to 1 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 2 into 12 is equal to 2 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. 3 into 12 is equal to 3 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. 4 into 12 is equal to 4 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 40 plus 8 is equal to 48. 5 into 12 is equal to 5 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. 6 into 12 is equal to 6 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 60 plus 12 is equal to 72. 7 into 12 is equal to 7 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 70 plus 14 is equal to 84. 8 into 12 is equal to 8 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 80 plus 16 is equal to 96. 9 into 12 is equal to 9 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 90 plus 18 is equal to 108. 10 into 12 is equal to 10 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 100 plus 20 is equal to 120. Multiplication table of 12. The table will be read as 1 times 12 is equal to 12. 2 times 12 is equal to 24. 3 times 12 is equal to 36. 4 times 12 is equal to 48. 5 times 12 is equal to 60. 6 times 12 is equal to 72. 7 times 12 is equal to 84. 8 times 12 is equal to 96. 9 times 12 is equal to 108. 10 times 12 is equal to 120. Similarly, multiplication table of 13. 1 times 13 is equal to 13. 2 times 13 is equal to 26. 3 times 13 is equal to 39. 4 times 13 is equal to 52. 5 times 13 is equal to 65. 6 times 13 is equal to 78. 7 times 13 is equal to 91. 8 times 13 is equal to 104. 9 times 13 is equal to 117. 10 times 13 is equal to 130. Multiplication table of 14. 1 times 14 is equal to 14. 2 times 14 is equal to 28. 3 times 14 is equal to 42. 4 times 14 is equal to 56. 5 times 14 is equal to 70. 6 times 14 is equal to 84. 7 times 14 is equal to 98. 8 times 14 is equal to 112. 9 times 14 is equal to 126. 10 times 14 is equal to 140. Multiplication table of 15. 1 times 15 is equal to 15. 2 times 15 is equal to 30. 3 times 15 is equal to 45. 4 times 15 is equal to 60. 5 times 15 is equal to 75. 6 times 15 is equal to 90. 7 times 15 is equal to 105. 8 times 15 is equal to 120. 9 times 15 is equal to 135. 10 times 15 is equal to 150. Multiplication of 3 and 4-digit numbers. 3-digit number by 3-digit number. Example 1. Multiply 632 into 247. 632 into 247. Now multiply in ones place. 632 into 7 is equal to 4424. 632 into 40 is equal to 25,280. 632 into 200 is equal to 1,26,400. Now add above 4,424 plus 25,280 plus 1,26,400 is equal to 1,56,104. So, 632 into 247 is equal to 1,56,104. Practice carrying over numbers and adding them mentally. 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Example 2. Find the product 2357 into 5. Solution: 2357 into 5 is equal to 11,785. So, 2357 into 5 is equal to 11,785. Remember to put 0 in place of ones when multiplying with tens. 4-digit number by 2-digit number. Example 3. Multiply 4,328 by 19. Solution: 4,328 into 19. Now multiply ones place. 4,328 into 9 is equal to 38,952. And 4,328 into 10 is equal to 43,280. Now adding both above, 38,952 plus 43,280 is equal to 82,232. So, 4,328 into 19 is equal to 82,232. Multiplication applications. Multiplication is used in many real-life situations. 3,864 rupees per ticket. How much for 4 tickets? 150 flower arrangements for 232 hotels. How many arrangements in all? Example 1. Sherry needs 21 oranges to make 1 bottle of juice. How many oranges will she need to make 1,800 bottles of this juice? Solution: to find the number of oranges, we have to multiply 1,800 by 21. To make 1 bottle of juice, number of oranges is equal to 21. To make 1,800 bottles of juice, number of oranges is equal to 1,800 into 21. Now multiply in ones place. 1,800 into 1 is equal to 1,800. And multiply in tens place. 1,800 into 20 is equal to 36,000. Now add above. 1,800 plus 36,000 is equal to 37,800. To make 1,800 bottles of orange juice, 37,800 oranges will be needed. Example 2. A carpenter has an order to make 2,600 tables. For each table, he needs 2 boards of plywood. How many boards should he place an order for? Tick out the correct option and solve. Solution. The correct option is 2600 into 2. 2600 into 2 is equal to 5200. The carpenter should place an order for 5200 boards of plywood. VBE. Shruti bought 20 packets of balloons at 60 rupees each. She paid 1500 rupees to the shopkeeper. He gave her 400 rupees back. A. Is the amount given by the shopkeeper correct? What is the actual amount? B. If you were in Shruti's place, what would have you done? Estimating the product. Estimation is done to find an approximate product quickly. The numbers to be multiplied are first rounded off, which makes the multiplication easier. What is 348 into 56? Rounded off to the nearest 10, 348 is 350. Rounded off to the nearest 10, 56 is 60. Actual product. 348 into 56 is equal to 19,488. Estimated product. 350 into 60 is equal to 35 into 6 into 100 is equal to 30 plus 5 into 6 into 100 is equal to 180 plus 30 into 100 is equal to 210 into 100 is equal to 21,000. Can you find the difference between these two products? Will rounding off to the nearest 100 give a closer answer to the actual product? Example 1. 6,250 people visit a mall in a week. How many people are likely to visit the mall in a year? 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. Round off to the nearest 100. Solution. Rounding off to the nearest 100. 60 to 50 is 6,300. 52 is 100. Estimated number of people likely to visit the mall in a year is equal to 6,300 into 100 is equal to 6,30,000. Lab activity. Building up of multiplication tables. Objective. To learn how the multiplication tables are built up based on patterns. Materials required. Blocks of 2 different colors. For example, blue block B is tens. Red block R is ones. Procedure. A. Divide the class into groups of 4 students each. Give 10 blue blocks and 10 red blocks to each group. B. Show the representation of 12 using the blocks as follows. 1 blue block and 2 red block is equal to 1 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Similarly, 2 blue block and 4 red block is equal to 2 into 10 plus 4 is equal to 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. C. Ask the students to use the blocks to build and write the multiplication table of 12 in their lab activity notebook. Similarly, follow for the multiplication tables of 13, 14 and 15. D. One group may also quiz another group on checking the products in these tables.